Good morning. Our topic is all about visualizing percent. First of all, we must know the meaning of percent. So what is the definition of percent? Percent is from the Latin adverbial phrase percentum, meaning by the hundred. And percent is a special ratio that compares a certain number to 100. So sa ratio daw, ito yung pag-compare ng certain number sa 100. So it is a ratio naman whose meaning is similar to fraction with a denominator of 100. So sa fraction naman daw, always na 100 ang kanyang denominator. Pag i-change natin sa fraction. Percent means hundredths, so it can be written as decimal. And a decimal in hundredths can be expressed as a percent. So dahil hundredths siya, masusulat natin siya sa decimal as hundredths. So laging hundredths yung kanyang digits, o meron siya laging 2 digits para maging hundredths sa decimal. A short way to change a fraction with a denominator of 100 into decimal is to write the numerator and put the decimal point 2 places from the right. Percent is to write the numerator together with the percent sign. So lagi tayong may 2 decimal places pagka sa decimal para maging hundredths. So ito yung pag-write ng decimal, 2 places from the right. So para naman ma-express as percent yung number, lalagyan natin ng percent sign. So this is a grid paper. So sa ilang bahagi o sa ilang maliliit na square hinati yung grid paper. So hinati siya into 100 parts yung isang grid paper. So kung makikita natin, yung 7 square ay shaded blue. So we can say that 7% of the figure is shaded blue. Kasi nga nahati siya sa 100 parts. Then shaded yung 7 maliliit na square ng blue. So it can also be written as 7 hundredths in fraction. Sa pagka-fraction kasi, laging 100 yung kanyang denominator. Pag tinange natin yung percent sa fraction. In decimal, 7 hundredths is 7 hundredths in decimal. So parehas lang yon ng decimal na 7 hundredths. Kung hindi nyo pa napanood yung previous video ko tungkol dito sa pag-change ng fraction sa decimal, pwede nyo balikan yung mga nakaraan kong video. Sa ratio naman, we can say that it is 7 to 100. Sa pagka-ratio naman, lagi natin kino-compare yung isang number sa 100. Learning task 1. Using pictures, give the ratio of the shaded parts to the whole part. Then change them to fractions, decimal, and percent. So ito yung pictures o picture. So ilang square yung shaded by pink? So kung titingnan natin, ang shaded by pink is 88. So we can say that in ratio, it is 88 to 100. So sabi nga natin, pagka ratio, lagi natin kino-compare yung number o isang number sa 100. Next, in fraction, it is 88 hundredths or 88 over 100. Dahil nga ang shaded ay 88, small square. At siya ay nahahati sa 100 small square. So 88 hundredths. So pagka fraction, laging 100 yung kanyang denominator. Sa decimal, siyempre, kung ano yung basa sa fraction, ganun din sa decimal. 88 hundredths. Sa percent, 88%. Kasi nga 88 yung shaded by pink. Next. So ito yung picture natin. Una nating bibilangin yung shaded parts. Nahahati din to sa 100 square grid. So ilan yung shaded parts? So 23. So sa ratio, it is expressed as 23 to 100. Kasi nga 23 yung shaded parts. Sa fraction, 23 hundredths. In decimal, 23 hundredths. And in percent, of course, 23%. Learning task 2. Carlo interviewed 100 of his friends on their most viewed TV program. The table shows the numbers of interviewees who chose any of the 4 programs. What you will do is to express the value in fraction, decimals, percent, and ratio form. So, let us study the table. So, yung unang column, ito yung TV program, Starstruck, Itbulaga, MMKN, KMJS. So, yung second column naman, ito yung number of friends na nanood ng program na yon. Then, sa third column, i-express natin as fractions. Fourth column, express natin sa decimal. Fifth column, express as percent. And sixth column, express as ratio. So, unahin natin yung Starstruck. So, ang total nga pala ng friends niya ay 100. So, out of 100, 16 ang nanonood ng Starstruck. So, express natin in fractions. So, 16 hundredths or 16 over 100. How about in decimals? So, parehas lang yung pagbasa sa fraction. 16 hundredths o laging may 2 decimal places. Yung decimal natin kasi nga hundreds dapat pagka in-express natin. Laging in hundreds siya. Sa percent, of course, 16%. Ratio, 16 to 100. So, laging natin kino-compare yung number sa 100. Sa Itbulaga naman, ang nanood sa kanyang mga kaibigan ay 35. How do we express that in fraction? So, 35 hundredths or 35 over 100. Sa decimals, 35 hundredths. The same ng pagbasa sa fraction. Laging 2 decimal places. Siyempre sa percent, 35%. Sa ratio is 35 to 100. So, ang MMK naman, ang nanonood sa kanyang kaibigan ay 30. In fraction form, 30 hundredths or 30 over 100. In decimal, 30 hundredths. Percent, 30%. ratio 30:100. Sa kay MJS naman, ang nanonood sa kanyang kaibigan ay 19. In fraction form, 1900s. Let us express naman in decimal, 1900s. In percent, 19%. And in ratio is 19:100. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I-hit nyo na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga gagawin kong math tutorial. Bye for now. Happy Valentine's. God bless po. Thank you.